Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can remove sync Google and Gmail contacts from Android phone. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open up the Settings app on your mobile device and scroll down towards the Accounts and Backup tab. Now tap on it to access its settings and then select the Manage Account feature at the top. Once you are inside it, all of your connected accounts will be displayed. Simply select the target Google account and then tap on Sync account. After that, toggle off the Contacts feature and close Settings. Now open the Contacts app, tap on the three bars at top left corner and a menu will slide onto your screen. Simply tap on the All Contacts button at the top and then select that Google account from this list. Once done, go back to the Contacts list and all of the synced contacts will be displayed. On this page, tap on the three dots at top right corner, tap on Edit, and then select all of them. After that, tap on the Delete feature and that's it. They will now be removed from your device, but not from your Google account as they are not being synced. So that's basically how you can remove synced Google and Gmail contacts from Android phone. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.